doing a very quick, short, mini wig haul. So, this is one. Let me show you the back. So look, and I'm going to insert some still photos. This is so fast and mini. I basically got on from work, cut off the lace, and threw it on. I think it's a little bit lopsided, no? These feel like they're in the right place. But this side seems like it's just a tad, maybe one curl longer. So, here we go. Distance, side, back. Boom, boom. And this is, let me find the name because I don't remember. Called, well, heck. I think I might have threw it on the floor or in the trash or somewhere. Oh, there it is. The Remy Touch by, it's a wig. It's a wig, it's a wig. Remy Touch, lace front, RT7, and the color is 1, black. That's that one. Okay, hold up for the next one. All right, this is the Hexie, and the color is 1B30, so the highlights are 30, and it is by Vanessa. And the thing with this one is you can either comb it smooth or brush it smooth and have the smooth look. You can bring the bangs down or to the side, or you can take your fingers or a pick and give it some volume, some curl. Really easy. I don't know what to do with that pick, but give it a little volume, a little wave pattern, something like that. Bring it around over here, fluff it up. So this, like I said, is the Hexie. 1B30 is the color, and it's by Vanessa. There's the side, the back. And this is actually a full wig. It's not a lace, it's a full cap. All right, stay tuned for the next one. Boom. Okay, so this one, I actually like it a little better. It's very similar. It's by a different maker. The other one, the Hexie, they didn't have it in an all black. So this is a 1B, which is an off black. And this one is called Robin Wig. And it's by the Femi Collection. The Femi Collection. And it's a Robin wig, and it's in a 1B. And I like it because it's soft. It's way softer. Like, I can't even tell you, like, at least 75% softer than the other one. And I like that it hugs my head tighter. Not physically. The wig itself is a little bit looser, so I need to tighten up the straps on the inside. But the hairstyle hugs my head like a cap, which I like. So there's the back, side, front, kind of the same texture. You can fluff it up a little bit, or you can smooth it down, or you can cut the bang and make it a little shorter, or you can try and brush the bang back more so it almost makes a flip. It does not have a lace, but I don't think it needs one. It's a full cap as well. So anyways, that's that one. Hello. I don't know. You guys comment below what you think. Okay. So, give you a close up on the closure. All the closure on the other one's pretty much the same. I'll show you this one, the closure. Similar style, just different color. And much smaller and thinner, which to me appears more natural, but who knows? Boom, juices, pose, strike a pose. Where's the Snapchat filter? Because I need one. Woo! I feel like a jungle woman with all this hair. It's actually a really pretty pattern, and this one's lace all around the front here. So, but it's so dry and bushy looking. So I'm gonna get some wig spray and spray it down, and I'll be Wait, hold on. Right back. Okay, it's much more manageable. It's not glued or anything, as you can see. It's just sitting on there. I haven't glued it. I haven't even pinned it with a bobby pin. And right now, I basically just put some wig spray and kind of finger combed it to give it that wet and wavy look. Let me show you this one, the length. Okay, I'm gonna try and show you the length here. So, let me get it over my shoulders so you can see the full length. That's how lazy this video is. I'm using my arm. I'm not even using a phone stand or any tripod or anything. But, so it's not really that much past the shoulder length there. What I like about it is this piece of lace, which is probably about 2 inches deep, goes all the way across. So if I want a side part, I can do that. Hopefully, hold on. And I can side part it like that. So I could do a side part. Hey, hello. Whatever. And so that's kind of the wet and wavy look. And I'm going to show you the wig spray that I just used when I find it. And so it doesn't, the wig spray is light. It doesn't feel greasy or anything like that. And I really like it. And if I wanted to pull both sides back and do a whatever, or part on both sides and make like a braid or something, I could, because the lace goes all the way across on the front there. Of course, I probably need to pull it forward. This wig does come with some baby hairs already in it. If you can see them right there. I don't really do baby hairs, but it does have some baby hairs in it. I don't have time for baby hairs. I'm freaking 53. There ain't no baby hairs here, okay? So yeah, if I wanted to pull it straight back and have no part, I could do that as well. So that's it. Comment below. Oh, I didn't tell you what this one's called. Dagnabbit. This one is, oh, that's not it. What did I do with that tag? Hang on. I found it. The Laceful Sun. And this one is by It's a Wig. And it's called Laceful Sun. And it's in 1B. And I can't really, I'm going to read that to you because it's not coming into focus. It comes in 1B, 2, 1B30. And I have the option of highlights, but I wanted a solid color. I mean, like I said, I am 53 and too much highlights, I don't know, just is too much for me. It's the lady that wears a blue wig too, right? But I think it just depends on the color. It depends on the purpose. This would be like an everyday work wig, you know, or whatever. Everyday Walmart, whatever. Okay, so comment below. I'll put a few still photos in of each one after I actually style them, because I haven't done that. And let me know which one you like. Also, these are all on my own. There's no, what do you call it, sponsor or anything. But I did order them all from Sam's Beauty. And I will put the website for that below as well. I think the most expensive one was this one. And I believe it was like 30 something. The shorter one, the Robin wig, this one actually cost me $5 on Sam's Beauty. And I like it a lot. That's a really everyday wig, or go to the gym or whatever. Yeah. The other one was, I think, like $10. So I just buy clearance on sale. This one was actually, I believe, 40% off. And so at 40% off, it came to like 32 or 30 something. All right. Well, comment below on what you think. Which one's your favorite? And like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill.